back to our Power BI course. This is day 4 and today we are going to learn one of the most important topics in Power BI, charts and visualizations. Okay. In the previous class we learned about introduction to Power BI. Yeah. I will open a text window so that I can explain properly. This is day 4 and today we are going to learn one of the most important topics in Power BI, charts and visualizations. In that, first one is introduction to Power BI. This is the previous class syllabus and the second one is installation and interface. And the third one is importing data from Excel and SQL Server. Importing data from Excel and SQL Server. So we have covered these three topics right as of now. Now today we will convert the data into beautiful visual reports and dashboards. Okay, first let us understand what is visualization. Visualization means presenting data in a graphical format like bar charts, pie charts, line charts, or tables or maps or plots. If you represent the data in these graphical formats, that then it is called visual for visualization. Instead of reading large rows of data, charts help us understand information quickly and easily. For example, which product has highest sales? If the question arises like this, we can we can use it in Power BI. Instead of reading large rows of data, chart helps us understand information quickly and easily. For example, which product has highest sales? If the question arises like this, we can use. If the question arises like this, for example, we can take which 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 product has highest sales. And this for this question we can do in Power BI. And second one is which month has low profit. Sorry guys, my left hand has some problem. And which region performs best? Which region performs best? So these are the questions we can do in Power BI as a visuals. All these questions can be answered in using by using visualization dice. So now let us explain. Let us open Power BI desktop. Wait, please, days. Okay. On the right side, you can see the visualization panel. See here. This is a visualization panel. Okay. Now, um, here Power BI provides many charts options. Here Power BI provides many chart options. See here, static bar chart and static column chart and cluster bar chart, cluster column chart, 100% static bar chart and 100% static column chart, line chart, area chart, static area chart. This is so in Power BI many visuals are there like this. It is providing many visuals like line chart, bar chart, and static column chart, cluster column chart, and a mini pie chart and tabular form, KPI form, and slicer, and as well as R script visual, Python visual, and key influence, and it is also providing many etc. Many things it is providing. See here, if you open Power BI in the right side, these visuals will be shown here. So you can just move your mouse into here and see the name. See here, this chart is static column chart. Like that, if you do like 4 or 5 projects, you can easily memorize all these charts. Okay, so no problem for that. First, I will tell about bar chart. First, I will select bar chart. Okay. Now I drag product name into axis. It is not showing. Maybe this data doesn't have this column product name. So we can let's see in the see here this table view. Let us see in the table view. Employee, parent employee, employee national differentiate, parent employee nationality, sales territory, first name, last name, middle name, name style. So what we want product name, right? Product name, product name we can take. Give me a minute, please. Here I will select sales territory and only I have selected only one thing right. Sales territory. That is the reason it is shown only one bar graph. If you select multiple, it will show like x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now product name into x-axis, right? See here, product name is there. So we can select here. So it will automatically taken the access taken into as access days. So no need to worry because Power BI by default it will select the automatically it will select the correct thing. So we will not change that. Okay, we will not change another time. Okay, guys. I hope you understand, guys. Now this chart helps compare sales between products. This is the products, right? So and this is the sales. So we can compare the sales, right, for all the products. But here the products are same only. Sorry, sales would be same for all. That is the reason it will show same 10 out of 10 10 10, right? For all the values it will be show as 10 only. So that is the reason it will be shown the same border for all the names, right, guys? Okay, I hope you understand, guys. Now I will tell about pie chart. Okay, so we can remove this one. Now select pie chart. First click on the pie chart. This is the pie chart. In the circle, this diagram will be shown, represented as pie chart. So okay, category into legend. Category. Now let us create a pie chart for this. So this is the pie chart circle in the and then the share in that it is called pie chart. So in the pie chart I select pie chart visualization. Now the category into levels. Okay. Now see, let us create a pie chart and here in the right side data is the right. So in that select employee and sales territory. So it will show see 50% is right. 50% is for sales territory and 50% is for employee key. So we can easily identify the sales right here by seeing this chart. That is the reason we will use Power BI. Okay, do you understand everything? So like this you can create many more charts, like you can test like how much sales are getting for each salesperson or like that. We can do any graph like this. So this is the pie chart. Pie chart is over. Now let us create a line chart for this. I'm removing this bar chart, pie chart, sorry. Now we'll create line chart. Line chart is created and we'll put values now. Now let us create a line chart. I drag date into axis. See here date is there. Or otherwise we can search like this date. Okay, date is selected and I already said right. If you selected in the data table, it will automatically reflect into the x-axis or y-axis or secondary y-axis, legend or small multiples. I mean, commonly commonly it will take to x-axis. That is the reason it is taken x-axis. Do you understand, guys? Now line chart. Now let us consider line chart. Date into axis, date date I had written into x-axis, okay, and after that sales into values. It is turning into y-axis. See, if you put drag mouse here, it is shown that 2024 count of sales strategy is 10. It is shown all the quarters. Quarter 1, 10, count of sales strategy 10, and after that quarter 2 also 10, quarter 3 also 10, quarter 4 also 10. That is the reason it is shown that straight line. Why? Blue straight line is there, right? So by seeing that, by seeing this chart, we can easily identify that all have same sales strategy. Okay, like this you can identify. In this way, we can do the process. I mean, in the live session, you can do like this. Okay, okay, guys. Now line chart is also completed. Line charts are mostly used for monthly sales or growth analysis or performance tracking. Okay, now I will tell about card visualization. Card visualization is simple, guys. Just simply select card visual. This is the KPI. This is slicer. See, this the card is here 1, 2, 3. So remember that 1, 2, if the slice, if the box is contains 1, 2, 3, it is called a slicer. Okay. So slicer is created. Now we have to put lines, words. Now I select card visualization. I drag total sales into card. Total sales. Total sales are not there. So we can take sales strategy. Sales strategy. Okay. Just drag into this slicer. And see here it is shown directly count of sales strategy is 10. And in the previous chart also we identify, right, the count of sales strategy is 10 for all years. In the similar way we can track like this also. Now total sales. Total sales are not there. So you can take sales data is already selected. In this way you can do brace. No problem for this. Okay. So this visual is called slicer. See 1, 2, 3 is there now. This is the card visual. Card visual. This slicer is called card visual. But if you do like 2 or 3 more projects like this, we can easily identify in the next time. Okay, guys. So no worries on that. No worries on that. Good formatting makes reports more professional and attractive. Okay, I think you heard right. Like good formatting makes reports more professional and attractive. If you format the things very good, then the visuals are more perfect and professional and attractive, guys. If you want to format or visual, first we need to select a visual. Suppose for I am selecting line chart here, and after that format your visuals. So first we need to select the visual count of sales territory I have selected, and like this you see x-axis values, mm, font font is, if you change this font, see, let's see the count of sales territory, it will change the words days. See, if I select DAN, see, we can change the size also. So here the minimum is 8, so we cannot reduce less than 8. We can make underline also. If you don't want, you can remove. If you want to change the color, just select. See, this ball is, it is showing blue, right? Stripe blue, that what we have selected now. If you want to change it to red or some other color, it will change. See, if you, I just want to put this red color. See, this color is changed now. Blue color. You can change the colors of the values. So this is the value. Count of sales territory value is 10, right? So if we change the, we can change the color, and title come. This is the value session. Values is this one, guys. Please remember, the values is in the what it will show. This is the value. Okay. Now we can go to title session. Title text. See, title text auto. Just practice in your home, guys, like this. Just change one thing and see the visual what it is changing. If you match this one and this one, you can easily remember as all these things, guys. No worries on that. So today I will do practice test for you guys. Please note it in your home. Close, note it in your book so you can practice a lot. First one is, this is the practice test only, guys. Import, import any Excel data. like I had done yesterday, right? Import any Excel book, not book, Excel data is better. Next, create in your PC. I'm saying about create one bar chart. If you have any doubt, just see here in Power BI desktop. It will show right format visual, build visual. Okay. If you place your mouse into there, it will show. It will clearly show what chart it is. So based on that, you can prepare brace. Okay, one bar chart prepare. Create one bar chart, and second one is one pie chart. And after one pie chart or one line chart, and after that one chord visual. You can take any value space. Okay. Now change colors and titles. Practice is very important to improve guys. So don't neglect. Practice is very important to improve your skills. If you want to improve your skills, practice daily. Okay guys. So friends, this is our day 4 class on charts and visualization Power BI. In the next class, we will learn about filters, slices, interactive reports. If you enjoy this class, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. Guys, if you subscribe this video, you will receive like these videos. Guys, bye as of now. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.